guys, it's that time of year. I'm so stoked.
I'm so sick that we got this. And I'm so excited to open it because I hope it has... Oh, you're bad at whispering. You're bad. You're bad at whispering.
Oh my goodness. FABFITFUN is my favorite subscription.
Yeah, because it has toys inside.
You're
a bad whisperer.
I'm going to try this again. Little man got a little excited. He thought there was toys in the box. But I'm opening. I'm so excited for this. FABFITFUN. I have an annual subscription. You get it 4 times a year for every season.
Because I love it.
Well, we'll see. You want to see in the box? Oh my gosh, look how pretty all those sleeves.
Open it. Oh, ooh.
All right. No, don't throw the stuff. You better bring that back here.
No.
All right. Hold on. Here, put this with the other paperwork. We'll look at that last. Who wants to look at the paperwork first?
Stuff here.
So here's the first item. One item at a time. Don't throw this all over my bed. The Easter. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. Here's the other
It's ready.
little child. So the first item
It's ready. It's ready.
it is
Oh my god.
okay. So this is one of those infinity scarves, and it actually has a pocket, so you can put stuff in it. I think this is awesome. It's called Beyond Yoga. Super soft. Not have confetti in it.
So cool.
And have your stuff with you, and then you don't have to have your purse. I think that's awesome. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to change my sheets. The blankets. Oh, Waffle Blanket. So this is about $49 a month. You get the subscription box. It's like $180 because they lower the price just a little bit. And you also get stuff before everyone else. And you get first picks. This is the Waffle Blanket. I actually have to re-up my subscription. And I'm definitely doing it. I love FABFITFUN. I mean, a lot of these items are worth $50 on their own, let alone... Okay, where does it happen?
Hey, don't you dare do that.
Let alone the entire box is $50. Look at how big this blanket is. And it's beautiful. Perfect. You can always use a new blanket when winter comes. Oh, gorgeous.
Don't be out.
Okay. I got this. So this is the Dose & Company Pure Collagen. I have been making green shakes.
And there's also this.
And I'm going to start putting collagen in my shakes. And this is supposed to be really, really good for your skin. I'm really excited to see what it does. I've heard a lot of good things, and I saw it as one of the options. So I'm going to try it and see if there's an actual change. We'll see.
Mommy, here it
What
is.
is this one? This one's Pumpkin Ginger Charcoal Mask.
What's
Detoxifying.
this?
This one, I don't know. This one seems like a little extra. I don't know. It's a Dove Moisturizer. Oh, this is deodorant. This is definitely not a choice item, just like an extra. So I got Dove Moisturizer. Is it a stick or is it a spray? Oh, I'm going to find out.
Hey, hold that
I
back.
just wanted the spray, so.
What's this?
Oh my god, that smells really good. So it's cucumber? Yeah, a little cucumber. Smells good. Very refreshing. Not very fall-y, but whatever. I'll forgive them because it's free. It was just an extra. You want to see what this one was? This is the mask. Charcoal
You know what? I'm gonna.
mask.
I'm gonna.
Pure.
Also, one more thing.
I don't know.
A box.
Another box. It just keeps coming. It's awesome. I absolutely love this box. Oh. Oh my god. Pure pumpkin spice. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm of course not going to try that though right now. I'm not going to do a mask.
Mommy, put video
Okay.
over your bed.
And the box, not even the end of it. There's also this body cleanser. It's a renewing, hydrating.
I'm getting out of here.
Bye.
Bye.
Body wash. I think it got to the end, one of the options, it was like between body washes and face wash. And I already use a very specific face wash and have a very specific body wash. And I don't like to switch it up. So, no, the body wash, I don't mind. The face wash, though, my skin is so sensitive. I don't remember what this was. This is the Moroccan, oh, the Moroccan spice candle. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. I can smell it in the plastic. Fall. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my god. It just makes me think of Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas. And like you get just like all three of those holidays in one smell right there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so that is my FABFITFUN box I got. I don't know if I could probably show you all in one. Like that. $50. I think this year was really awesome. Plus, they had a lot more options for you to pick them. They have like 6, I think, sections. And you pick your favorite out of different options. That's why they have these little magazine. And they show you what different options you could have had. Like, oh, see, the Dove thing. That was an advertisement, so that's why they gave you a little sampling of it. But like different things you could have gotten in it. I got the green blanket and one of these. There was also a rose gold earring set, which I was tempted, but I have very sensitive skin. So if it's just the color of rose gold and not actually rose gold, I wouldn't have been able to wear it. I don't even know what I got instead, but it was worth it apparently. Lots of fun little things. I'm curious. Let's see. Yeah, little health ideas. There was a jump rope that you could have gotten, and it actually came with like, I think a subscription, weight loss subscription. Oh my god, they give you recipes. I haven't actually ever tried one of the recipes, but look, with the collagen thing, they have a pumpkin spice latte. I'm totally going to try that. Coconut milk, which I have coconut cream. No, I do have coconut milk. No, I have almond milk. It's not the same, is it? Nope. I'm going to have to get that. Maple syrup and pumpkin spice. Then you do the collagen nut milk of choice. Nut milk? Oh, almond milk. Okay. Okay. Pumpkin puree. It's a lot of extras. I bet that's awesome. And then these are banana bread bars. Oh, and that's what the pumpkin spice latte is supposed to look like. God, that looks amazing. Okay. Yeah, so there's little tips. There's the blanket and the candle. Here's more recipes for the fall. Like, it kind of like helps you get into the fall. Here's like Skincare 101. I should probably read this. I think I'm going to read this. If any of you watch my Ipsies, I'm still trying to get a grasp on makeup. And I'm sorry, I didn't even put makeup on today other than a little bit of lipstick. Nope, I just didn't. so much fun. I thought it was crazy. They call it, what do they call it? They don't call it a fanny pack. They call it a belt bag. I don't know if y'all remember from the 90s. That is totally a fanny pack, right? I saw that. I was like, our fanny pack's coming back, but they're called belt bags, so it's okay, right? Yep. Anyways, that is my FabFitFun box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Charlotte's Oasis. Please, if you got this far, like my video and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.